I never saw him again. Stayed away from Thanksgiving and Christmas for years. It took my uncle 7 years to drink himself to death. First, he lost his job, then his wife, and finally, his driver's license. He retreated to his house, had his bottles delivered, and then one night he was going down to the basement and he fell down the steep basement stairs. My aunt went by every week to leave food on the porch, and she noticed the mail and papers stacking up uncollected. They found him at the bottom of the stairs, just steps away from his dark room. Now that I'm older, I have some questions I would have liked to have asked him. Who did it to you, Uncle Peck? How old were you? Were you 11? Sometimes I think of my uncle as a sort of Flying Dutchman. In the opera, the Dutchman is doomed to wander the sea, but every 7 years he can come ashore, and if he finds a maiden who loves him of her own free will, he will be released. And I see my Uncle Peck in my mind in his 56 Chevy, a Spirit, driving up and down the back roads of Carolina, looking for a young girl who, of her own free will love him. Release him.